Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we are going to create a delightful no-bake cheesecake that will tantalize your taste buds and those of your guests. Whether you are an aspiring chef or an experienced baker, this simple and quick recipe will allow you to prepare an irresistible dessert, perfect for any occasion. Ingredients. To make this no-bake cheesecake, you will need the following ingredients: 200 g of biscuits, such as speculoos or digestive, 100 g of melted butter, 300 g of cream cheese, like Philadelphia, 100 g of powdered sugar, 200 milliliters of heavy cream, 1 packet of vanilla sugar, the juice of 1 lemon, fresh fruits, or a fruit coulis for decoration optional. Preparation guide. Crust preparation. Crush the biscuits into crumbs and mix them with the melted butter. Press this mixture into the bottom of a cake pan. Filling preparation. In a bowl, beat the cream cheese with the powdered sugar and vanilla sugar. Add the lemon juice and mix well. Assembly. In another bowl, whip the heavy cream into stiff peaks and gently fold it into the cream cheese mixture. Mounting. Pour the filling over the biscuit crust and smooth the surface. Refrigerate for at least 4 hours, ideally overnight, for the cheesecake to set properly. Decoration. Before serving, add fresh fruits or a fruit coulis on top for a touch of freshness. Preparation time. Approximately 20 minutes, plus refrigeration time. Key points. Ease. This recipe is accessible to everyone, even baking beginners. Customization. You can add flavors like chocolate, coconut, or various fruits according to your preferences. Visual appeal. A no-bake cheesecake is not only delicious, but it also looks very aesthetic to present. Advantages of watching this video. Learn to make a delicious dessert without needing an oven. Get tips and tricks to ensure your cheesecake is a success every time. Discover presentation ideas to impress your guests.